Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello's Butler automation to automatically assign tasks and streamline your workflow. If you manage team boards, handle repeated processes, or simply want to reduce manual work, Butler can instantly assign cards, trigger actions, and keep your board organized without you lifting a finger. I will walk you through how to create automation rules, set conditions, and build smart triggers that tell Trello exactly when and how to assign tasks to the right people. By the end of this video, you will know how to use Trello, but let work faster, stay organized, and keep your team perfectly aligned. So this is the website. I have also provided the website link in the description. You can just simply click on that link and you will reach to this website. This is the overall layout of this website. First of all, we are going to need to create an account on this website. So let's click on it, get Trello for free. So here I prefer to sign up with my Google account here. So I will select continue with Google. Let's select our account, click continue. So after that, just select create your account. So as you can see that finally our account has been successfully created, and now we move towards the survey of this website. Welcome survey. Organize task, personal, and to do. Continue. Okay. Here it has also given us the short review how you can use this. So we have to add cards. Okay, so I will show you too. So let's continue. So it has taken us to our Trello board. So go to your first board. So here, let me skip this. So as you can see that we have got two options there. The first one is for the inbox. Okay. So the other one is for the my Trello board. As you can see that in this section you will see today's portion, today card, this week card, and later card. Okay, so in today's card you can add a card for any of your task, or you can add the title of your task, like I add task 1. So that's how our task 1 will be added in the list. And here you can add a card for any kind of work done for the week. You can also write it at as you want. Okay, so let's add it at task 2, add it at later task 3. Okay, so that's how you can add your task. So right now I'm at the board section. So if you want to move to the planner section, you can select this planner section. For that for the planner section to work, you have to connect your calendar with this Trello board. Okay, so let's go back to our Trello board and inbox. If you want to consolidate your to-dos with your email account, each and everything, you can just connect it here. Okay, so let's go for board section. Okay, so here you can see that you can add different add task, which is the Trello starter guide here available here. You can also buy this guide. Okay, so as you can see that it has different colors of the cards. Like you can see, you can assign any specific color to the current card or the current task. When the task is then done, you can just change its color to green as you want. So that's how you can keep on changing the color of the other cards as well. So you just write a task, assign a team. Okay, you can also add like another list here according to your need. Like you can add done. So that's how done list will be added, and you can add the all the tasks which have been done in this list, in this card. Okay, so, and you can assign a specific tone to that specific card so that they can complete the work and manage your Trello board. So that was all about Trello, but how you can use it to manage your, or you can assign tasks to your team. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.